Morning, my loves. Good morning. Happy Valentine's Day. Today is the 14th of February. So we're trying to be soft girls. We're trying to look cute. So I'm late. I'm on my way to work. I was looking at my watch and I realized that I haven't changed the battery for it. It's losing time or it's not working. But it's the morning. So I just wanted to come here and say happy Valaza, my dears. Happy Valaza, happy Vala, my Valas, my Vala, my Vala. Happy Valaza, my loves. I hope you guys are gonna treat yourself to Valentine's dinner or whatever, and spend time with family and friends and spouses, of course. So yeah, my loves.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say
Good morning, my loves. Good morning, loves. I'm still in bed. I am thinking of getting up and starting my day early today. Today is the 1st of March. It's my mom's birthday month. Oh, it's my late mom's birthday month. And yeah, I'm thinking of starting this day earlier, like getting up, making the bed, doing laundry, washing any dishes that we have, and just cleaning the house. And we are going to Alberton. We're going to Alberton. So we are seeing Umntana for the first time. Ebezalwa 10 February last year, so it was his first birthday this year. So we're seeing him tomorrow though, because his mom is working today. So we're gonna go to Alberton and look for presents to get him, mainly in a form of clothes, I think, and then we can look for a toy as well. I don't know what toys to get, I don't know, but that's what we're gonna do. I am also planning on, before all of that, for us to have something to eat. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. And if I can get up clean,
Wake up, baby. Wake up, mommy.
mhlambe izitya ndimopishe. Injani weather papa baby for impahla?
Hayi, right ufuna usihlamba singahlamba baby.
Okay. The dust is where I need to dust off. That's what we are doing today, and tomorrow we're going to see Umntana. So I'm gonna show you guys snippets of the day that we're gonna have. The time now is it is 7:30. That is the time, 7:30. Spend a few days with us. Well, with me. Spend a few days with me while I gallivant with my husband. Saturdays for me are just for me to like sleep the whole day and clean and cook. I get so tired, and I think I actually need to go see a doctor as well, because umqolo is painful. I have my back problems, and they started such a long time ago, probably 2019 or 2020. I think that's when I started to experience severe back problems. So I think I want to go see a doctor. I've done it before and they did a scan and they said there was nothing wrong with my spine or anything. Not that I thought there was something wrong with my spine, because my scapulars are the problem. But now I've been feeling like my scapulars are not as painful. Well, they are painful, but now it's getting lower, like almost under my scapulars, and I feel like my spine as well, it has a little bit of tingly pain on my upper spine part. So yeah, I think I should go see a doctor because I don't want this to actually affect my daily mobility. So yeah, bye for now, and I shall see you when I am done cleaning. I am done cooking the oats, and yeah. We are at the garage to pour some petrol. I am learning
Not to fear. Not to fear.
not to feel what, baby.
It's a filling station.
Oh, I'm learning how to fill a car at a petrol station. Okay. Ugalela ntoni papa?
95.
Molweni futhi kunjani?
800.
Besicela u95 nge800 rand. We800. Yes. Yes. So I'm learning. Practice. I'm practicing. Sorry, Budi, ngicela yenze nge1000. Budi, ngicela undengezele nge200. One.
With the orange hat. Black and orange.
So my husband is hating on my hat. As to why, I don't know. Okay.
Black and orange, baby.
But he is hating so much on it.
You and me just know.
Good afternoon. It's literally 12 o'clock. But good afternoon, my loves. We are going for we are getting a present for a child. I think I mentioned this, that we haven't seen to get a present for him because we're seeing him tomorrow for the first time. Let's go, my loves. Siyapi ehlahat. What? No hlahat. Siya Krizani Mall to buy a game.
Game.
Okay. Let's go. We are back. We bought the bicycle. We found the bicycle and we bought the helmet thingy. And we ended up also getting a microwave because we've been wanting to change a microwave. We ended up not going to Alberton because Alberton I get a game, so we just went. Where is that place? Krizani Mall. So we back now. That is my day. My husband is gonna eat and I think he wants to go somewhere. I don't know, he hasn't said exactly where he's going, but he's watching soccer, I believe. So yeah, I shall see you when I pick up this camera again. I don't know when. Not a big deal.
The next day.
Good afternoon, my loves. It's 1:20. We were supposed to be there at 12. We are only gonna leave now, and yeah, so let's go see boy for the first time. And yeah, I am excited to see him because we've been meaning to go see him since last year, but every time his dad is not there, like he works around the country. So yeah, let us go get my ideas. I have my driver's license. I am ready to rumble. I'm driving. Oh, look what I am driving. I am the designated driver for this gentleman.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say.
Much later.
Good evening, my loves. The time now is almost 8:05 in the evening. We came back about, I think, an hour ago, and I just came back down my morning in bed. I thought I was gonna do ironing. I'm so tired for my husband mainly. I'll see if I can do that tomorrow when I come back from the gym after work. I think I am slowly settling in after the rush got December and after everything with Tunji. I feel like I have been in my head for so long since I want to say since last year October, but I want to say before that 2023 October. I've been in my head since then, but I am slowly zoning out of it, and like I can finally breathe, I can say. But yeah, man, there's only one thing in my head and there's only one thing in my mind. I do want to say that I will not be posting as consistent as I was beginning of this year or like last year, because I feel like my Johannesburg vlogs, they don't do so well as Eastern Cape vlogs. So I feel like it's only fair that I just vlog Eastern Cape whenever I'm in Eastern Cape, and maybe incorporate snippets of my Johannesburg lifestyle, because there's not really much of a lifestyle. I feel like I've shown you guys everything, but I'm excited for this year. We're just praying about, so I'm just excited for that. So I think I'm gonna post vlogs, but they're mainly gonna be like Eastern Cape vlogs. I have 2 occasions that I'm gonna go to the Eastern Cape this year that I know for sure, so I'll have a vlog then, which I will incorporate whatever I did during March right into that vlog. And then I also have another vlog mid of the year, so I'll incorporate maybe everything that has led to that into that vlog. And then everything else can go towards the end of the year, to my birthday, my man's birthday, and everything else. You guys know exactly what I want this year for my birthday. I've talked about it, I've even posted about it. So yeah, I'm just excited, and I'm looking forward to this year, man. I'm just looking forward to this year. I am slowly getting out of my head a little bit. I think what has helped me, I feel like what has helped me to be in this stage 1, praying, gym. I've been consistent going to the gym, so I think that has also helped me a lot. I have also, what I also did was beginning of this year or end of January, I decided that I'm not gonna put my statuses on WhatsApp. WhatsApp statuses, I don't have that anymore. I'm not posting statuses on my WhatsApp anymore. I am not I don't have a profile picture on my WhatsApp. I feel like whenever I'm going through so much in life, a lot of internal building or development, character and whatever else, I just want to zone out basically, and just zone out, like I don't exist in the world. So I did that, and I exited all of the groups, like family groups. And yeah man, I've just been like, yeah, taking care of myself, listening to myself, listening to the universe. And yeah, I feel like I am becoming. Please let me know in the comment down below. Please do comment anything that you would like to see on my channel going forward. And let me know if you actually enjoy Eastern Cape vlogs or you enjoy Joburg vlogs, because I know there are people who still watch my Joburg vlogs, but I feel like I get so many people that watch my Eastern Cape vlogs. Yes, those people are probably people that are just watching at during that season, for example, or just people that are like more interested in the Eastern Cape or village lifestyle. I still have my day one, my regular people that come to my vlogs whenever I post. Whatever I post, they will watch it. So yeah, I feel like I'm talking too long, so I'm gonna go.
The next day.
I work and I'm making coffee. I just came from Home Affairs to do my passport. Yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. So excited, but yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. I really do appreciate all the love and the support that you guys show me, and I shall see you in my next video.